Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the Onenote audio asset. This is the tangible item you'll import. Open Roblox, search the library for the Onenote track, or upload your file and make it public. Once uploaded, copy the numeric asset ID from the asset URL. That ID is how Funky Friday recognizes the sound. Make sure the file meets size and permissions rules, because a blocked or private asset won't load. Once you have that ID, you're ready to join the game and add it. You join Funky Friday and go straight to the custom songs or song menu. Some versions hide it under settings, so look for Add Song or Import. Paste the numeric asset ID into the import field, then hit Confirm. The game fetches that audio and generates a preview. Next, pick the difficulty or chart you want. If the game asks to auto-chart, allow it or upload a chart file. Make sure the preview plays cleanly before saving to the local queue. Now you load the Onenote song in a match or practice mode to confirm timing and sound. If it doesn't appear, first recheck that you pasted the exact asset ID and that the asset is public. Permissions are the most common blocker. Once done, clear your Roblox cache, rejoin Funky Friday, and try importing again. If issues persist, re-upload the audio with a smaller file size or different format, because incompatible encoding can prevent the game from recognizing the track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.